The mountain was blanketed in deep white, each flake shimmering beneath a sky heavy with storm clouds. Sonic the Hedgehog zipped across the frozen slopes, his sneakers leaving glowing blue traces in the snow. Just ahead, Spider-Man slung through the wintry pines, his webs catching on frost-laden branches. "We have to find Frostbite before he buries the city in snow," Sonic shouted, skidding a tight corner and leaping over a jagged ice outcrop. "Race you to the peak," Spider-Man called back, launching himself upward, spinning a silvery web over a chasm where the wind howled through the ice. The path narrowed. Avalanche warnings blinked on ruined signs. Sonic darted between tumbling boulders, moving so fast his quills glittered like blue icicles. He caught sight of Spider-Man flipping off a snow-dusted boulder, landing smoothly beside him. "There!" Spidey pointed. Atop the summit stood Frostbite, the snowstorm villain, encased in a swirling blizzard, his arms channeling icy winds. Sonic dashed ahead, dodging shards of ice hurled like daggers. Spider-Man looped a web around Frostbite's arm, yanking him off balance. Frostbite retaliated with blinding sleet, the whole world turning white for a heartbeat. Sonic, undeterred, used the slick ice as a runway, building up speed until he became a blur. Spidey, swinging high, arced over to land a sticky web shot to Frostbite's boots, pinning him to a snowbank. With a sonic boom and a snap of webs, the villain tumbled, the swirling winds stuttering. Spidey clamped another web to Frostbite's hands as Sonic used his spin dash to shatter the villain's icy staff. The clouds overhead broke, sunlight streaming over the mountain.